Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you how to fix the low volume sound volume problem on this phone. First of all, go into sound equalizer, in settings, select sound and vibration, and here make sure that all of these sliders are moved to the right, or at least the ones that you need. And if this doesn't help, make sure that your do not disturb mode isn't enabled, so make sure that it's switched to the left. And if this doesn't help, then you should clean the speaker of your phone that is located on the bottom edge of your device right here. Use a soft brush for it. Certainly don't use any metal tools for that. If this doesn't help, then you should test your device in safe mode. To enter safe mode on your smartphone, you should hold down volume up and power button for a while, then select slide to restart, then wait until your phone turns off, and then when the OPPO logo shows up again, start holding down the volume down key right now, and wait until your device boots up again. And if the sound works better in the safe mode, that would mean that some app on your phone interferes your sound, and you should disable it. Keep holding down until your phone boots up. And right now you will see an indicator of a safe mode in the bottom left corner of the screen. So check if your sound works normally, and if it does, then go to settings, then to battery, then you can go to power saving settings, scroll down to app battery management, and then select an application that you suspect to use your sound in the background, and select restrict background activity and confirm. In the safe mode, it shouldn't interfere because no apps run in the background on your phone right now. And in case none of this helped, then the last thing that you can do is go to system and updates in settings, software update, and here check if your phone has any updates to it. And if it does, then take your time to download and install them, and check if this resolves your issue. And if it doesn't, then this might be a hardware problem, so I suggest that you reach out to OPPO customer support service, or maybe head straight to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device and see if they can help you resolving this issue. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching it to the very end. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.